Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In this video, I have prepared followers basic step for Foxtrot. So without further ado, let's get to it. Before we learn the basic steps for Foxtrot, let's go ahead and briefly talk about the posture for ballroom dancing. We're going to keep our feet in nice 11 shape. It can be slightly apart or completely together, up to your preference. Ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders are nicely stacked up, abs engaged, chest open, shoulders down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky so you feel elevated on the upper body. It is important for followers, especially during ballroom dancing, to open up your chest and feel extra elevated on the upper body. And remember, our knees are going to be somewhat soft. I wouldn't say bend down, it's just a little bit soft. Very good. Now that we've discussed the posture for ballroom dancing, it is time for us to learn the basic steps for Foxtrot. For your ease of learning, I'm going to turn around so you can see it easier and follow along much better. Alright guys, so we are going to step back twice, beginning with our right foot. Step back, another step back. From there, we're going to bring our right foot to the side and brush our left foot together. Let's try that one more time. Right foot back, left foot back, bring our right foot to the side, and brush our left foot towards our right foot. Very good. This time we're going to talk about the footwork as we are taking the basic steps so you can retain it much easier. Toe heel, toe heel, toe, toe heel, toe heel. Toe heel, toe heel, toe, toe heel, toe heel. Very good. Now that we've learned the basic steps for Foxtrot, let's talk about the timing. I'll go ahead and chant it out as we move along so it's easy for you guys to retain it. Slow, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's try together to the music. Make sure to elevate and stand tall. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Now it is time for us to discuss the techniques for Foxtrot. One thing that comes to my mind, guys, is when you're stepping back, it is important for us to brush our feet on our heels. So let me demonstrate it so you can see it. As you're stepping back, left foot is going to be staying behind as it brushes towards the right foot. From here, it is important that you brush your heel and turn that into a toe, heel to toe. So remember, we're not necessarily walking back with our feet up. We're brushing our feet throughout. Going back, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Another important thing is to keep our knees somewhat soft. If you're standing tall and trying to walk back, it's going to look very awkward. So make sure to keep it nice and smooth by keeping it somewhat soft and having a sense of elevation on the upper body as we talked about during the posture, so you can feel the movement guiding you through and finishing the basic step with a sense of elegance and beauty of Foxtrot. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful time trying out this very elegant dance Foxtrot with me. If you like our videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future dance videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another fun dance. Bye!